Hello, this is Grant Burris, owner of the Tune-Up Shop in Costa Mesa, California. 949-645-4641. I'm going to show you a nice little Ford Roadster here from a local collection, done up in the traditional manner. Ford flathead, Navarro heads, 3.2s, beautiful car, good workmanship. Nothing can be criticized about this little car. Everyone would like to have this one. Interior is done up in the traditional manner. Suntac, video gauges. Carpet's currently out of it because of some work we're doing on it. This is typical of some of the cars that we work on here. Beautiful cars. The gentleman who owns this one has several, and they're all of this caliber. Beautiful machines. Anyone would love to be sitting in front of this roll bar, traveling down PCH on one of those nice California days. We love it. If you have any questions, or if you'd like for us to do work on your car, please give us a call. 949-645-4641. The Tune-Up Shop in Costa Mesa, California.